Because when we discuss in metaphysics, and we're discussing the fundamental nature of reality, and we get it into ontology, which is a branch of metaphysics, or a subset or a secondary byproduct of metaphysics, which studies the nature of being. We have to study the subsets of this ontological being simultaneously coexisting in our reality, metaphysics, mind and matter. And you have mind and you have matter, and then you have coincidences deriving from what occurs between mind and matter, because between mind and matter you have something called matter. You have three fundamental elements in nature. That's a precursor before we have these coincidences or synchronistic events. So you have mind, you have matter, and then you have what we call matter, we have energy, and we have gravity. So we have matter, we have energy, and we have gravity. They are a trichotomy. Right? They all contain